you have already another account. Let me check if that is working and we can discuss the things here. Okay, pages. So you have already add your page Blue Ads Lab in this business manager account. So in this way, you can add the pages. So just example, if you want to work with other people or if you want to add your any other business page, so you can simply click on this add button and add the page here. Or if even you can create a new page. So it's up to you.
Okay.
Sim Similarly, the ad accounts, so you don't have any ad account in this business manager account so far. So in order to create that, so simply we need to click on create button and then we can scroll it down to the create a new ad account.
Okay.
And this ad account, I am just putting your own name here. Yeah, we are BM for business manager basically.
Okay.
This is your time zone and this is your currency, and then we need to click on next button. And for this one, it's asking if this account is for your business or another business. So simply
Actually,
use my
do you mind if I change the time zone on this?
sure.
All right.
Okay, so here you need to select you want to use this for your own business. Click on create. Okay, and I am adding you as a full admin access for this one. Next thing, it's
Okay.
asking for the payment. You can even add this later if you want. So
Okay.
again, from this document, Meta Business account, you need to add business info, add assets. Assets means Facebook page, add account, pixels, etc. And then add payment info there. So
Hmm.
this is basically setting up your ad accounts and all the things.